following Dr. Bonnie Henry's announcement on Tuesday.
Effective today, all nightclubs and all standalone banquet halls are ordered closed until further notice.
Last call for drinks will now be no later than 10 p.m. This comes after 429 new cases were reported in the province after the long weekend. Diane Knight, the owner of Rockwell's Pub, says this change will definitely affect business.
When you have to do your last call at 10 o'clock and there's people still eating and, they want their beer, they want their drink, and it's going to be sad.
Knight said her employees hope guests will come in earlier, but regardless, rules are rules and they have to follow them. Meanwhile, another restaurant in town has now had 2 employees test positive for COVID-19. Brown Social House owner Darcy Dober says his partners have been following strict sanitization protocols. He says it was unfortunate this occurred.
They weren't in the restaurant for 9 days, so it worked out good in that aspect that they didn't have contact with anybody.
He said Northern Health has been in and out of the restaurant assessing all employees who could have been exposed.
For me, it's more about everybody being safe, and we have one staff member that's having a bit of a tough time with it, so I'm more concerned about the health and safety of people than what people think of me.
Darcy says Brown's has been and continues to closely follow what Northern Health and the government have laid out. In order to ensure business stays as usual, Darcy says they need to keep doing what they're doing.
People are going to think what they want and have their opinions, and we do all the things that they're asking us to do. So.
Lastly, he mentioned that at the end of the day, COVID is in our community, so we just have to be safe and do our part. Hannah Lepine, CJDC-TV News, Dawson Creek.
Salon and barber services provided by Skinovations. Be swept away to a world of peace and tranquility at Skinovations Salon and Day Spa.